In this video I will show you where to look out for our updates, as well as how to add friends and use our meta room to host meetings and socialize together. You will be able to keep up with our new updates and be notified of current events in the home page. Let's check out one of the news article available by scrolling down. Tap on one of the news to expand the article. You can scroll up and down to know more information of the article. Looks like there is a check-in running in our metaverse. You can click on this button to share this on your TikTok and X as well. Let's tap on the return button to go back to our home page. I will show you how to add another user next. Tap on the Friends tab in the middle. Tap on the plus icon next. You can search for other users here by entering their email or TANG ID. Do note that TANG ID is only available for user member. Entering email is the only option when the other user is a free member. Tap on the search button. A drop-down of the other user profile will appear when you have entered in the information correctly. Tap on the plus icon. You can attach a message in the text box before sending out the friend request. Tap on the send out button. The friend request will be sent to the other user. Let's take a look where it is located for the other user. This is how the Friends tab will look like for the other user. A red pop-up will appear on the notification bell. Let's tap on the bell. The other user can choose to reject or agree to the friend request. Tap on Agree to complete the adding of friends. We can go back to our own account to check if the other user has been added to our friend list. Looks like adding friends was successful. You can pull the tab downwards to refresh the friends page to check if the other user profile did not appear after adding. Let's try out the meta room next. Tap on the third tab. You can create a meta room session by tapping on the Let's Meta Call button here. There are some ground rules to follow while in the meta room. The session for the meta room lasts for 60 minutes per session. You can only invite up to 10 friends to be allowed to be inside the meta room. Let's start by inviting the other user into the meta room that you have added to your friend list earlier. Start by tapping on the tick box on the left that you want to invite. Then tap on Create Meta Call. A room would be created for you and the list of friends you have invited. No one else would be able to join the room unless invited in. Tap on the Enter button. Tap on the Enter Meta Call button to head inside the room. This is how the meta room looks like on the inside. Looks like the other user is in. Let's take a seat too. When you are near a chair, the sit button will pop up. Tap on the button to sit down. Let's try out the functions available in the meta room next. Looks like there is a notification on our chat icon. Tap on the icon. This is the chat box for the meta room. You can drop your message here in the chat box for your friends to see. You can type in your message here. And tap on the send out button to send your message. You can tap on the chat icon again to close the chat box. There are 3 buttons you can use while in the meta room. The camera on the left. The speaker in the middle. The microphone on the right. Let's tap on the microphone to turn it on. You can now speak to the microphone. Other users will be able to hear what you say while they are also in the meta room. Let's turn off the microphone for now. Next is the speaker. When the speaker icon is turned on, it indicates you can hear what the other users say in the meta room. Let's try and turn on the camera next. You will be projected on the big screen here. Your friends can also turn on their camera too. You can have a face-to-face conversations with your friends and host meetings too. Let's turn off the camera for now. We have covered all the available features in the meta room. Let's leave now. You can tap on the exit door button on the right end corner to leave. Tap on the confirm button. Now you are able to keep up with our current news on the homepage. Add as many friends as you like, and make use of our meta room in our TANGDAO Metaverse.